Good morning, everybody. I'm grilling my organic beef chicken. Ayan, guys. I did only the olive oil and flour. So I roast it like that, guys. If you wanna become creamy, so it's easy, guys. I'm gonna use the milk. There you go. That is how I make my chicken. That's it. And then we're gonna put some lemon. Yeah. Masarap yan, guys. So, of course, hindi natin patutuyuin yan. Diba? Lagyan natin ng oregano para masarap siya. Okay, lagyan mo ng parsley, cilantro, of course, something like crushed pepper para maging masarap siya. Red pepper. Ayan siya, guys. Of course. Yeah. Ayan. Gawin lang natin. Ikot-ikot lang yan, gaya yan. Kasi magki-creamy na siya. And then you can toast your bread and dip it after that. Yeah. That is how I make my chicken. Breast chicken ka. Gaya yan. Just milk. Cream milk. Ayan siya, gaya yan, diba? I-roasted ko lang siya sa flour. Of course, you can add butter. Yummy. Ayan, yan gaya. Diba? Very good. Hot. Very tasty, guys. Milk and lemon. It's very tasty. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, gawa na lang natin yan ng kunti. Maging creamy na siya. Diba? Ayan. Itong gravy niya, yan ang maging